What kind of Google Workspace help do you need right now? Where are you in your journey to mastering Google Workspace? More importantly, what kind of help do you need to get to the next level? Let me know. Are you A, starting your business and Google Workspace at the same time? B, already using Gmail for your business, but finally ready for a real business email with Google Workspace? C, or are you a serial entrepreneur with one or more Google Workspaces that could use some serious organization? I'm Amy Novick, a Google certified trainer and professional organizer. I empower business owners with Google solutions. The kind of help you need depends entirely on where you are in your Google journey right now. Listen closely to these three profiles and tell me in the comments below which one of these Google users sounds like you. Before we dive into the categories, to learn just a few tips and tricks, click below for my time-saving hacks for small business owners to get started. Type A, the brand new founder. You are a brand new small business owner who hasn't even set up your Google Workspace yet. You might not even know what that entails. You want to set it up correctly the first time so you have a solid foundation on which to build your business. You're also looking to learn the most important tips and tricks in each app to stay organized and function efficiently, while customizing the whole system to fit you and your business perfectly. Type B, the professional level up. You're a small business owner currently using a gmail.com email address for your business. You've realized that this no longer looks professional, and it's actually not allowed by Google anymore because it's hard to identify as a business account. It's time to move to a Google Workspace email address that matches your website as soon as possible to align with current standards. You need to set it up correctly, transfer your old emails, files, calendars, and contacts so your business history stays together, and you need to customize the workflow for you and your team. Type C, the serial entrepreneur. You are a small business owner already using Google Workspace, or maybe even more than one, but they're not optimized for your users, groups, shared drives, or appointment scheduling. You likely don't know all the tips, tricks, and tools that exist to streamline your business, and you're ready to save you and your team those unnecessary clicks. No matter where you are in your Google Workspace journey, there is a next step that's right for you. During a clarity call, we can identify exactly where you are, pinpoint your biggest challenges, and prioritize your next steps to ensure that your Google Workspace is set up the right way for you and your business as soon as possible. You get the benefit of a Google certified trainer who makes everything easy to understand, combined with the skills of a professional organizer. This ensures that you have organized, usable, and sustainable systems inside Gmail, Calendar, and Drive so that you and your team can function effectively now and in the future. So when you are ready, schedule a clarity call. We will discuss your current challenges and prioritize the next steps of your journey. I look forward to helping you succeed.